The excitement around Samsung's Galaxy S26 Ultra just got hit with a dose of reality. Despite earlier expectations of a dramatic camera overhaul, reliable leaker Ice Universe has revealed on X that Samsung is sticking to its familiar 200-megapixel ISO-cell HP2 sensor for the S26 Ultra's main camera. No new sensors coming. This is the same 1.3-inch sensor used in the S23 Ultra, which may feel underwhelming to users hoping for Sony's larger alternative. However, Samsung is making a critical upgrade to the lens system. The aperture will shift from f1.7 to a wider f1.4, allowing 47% more light to hit the sensor. This change significantly boosts low-light performance, even though an f1.4 aperture could compromise image sharpness in bright conditions. That's why Samsung is reportedly considering reviving its old dual-aperture feature, last seen in the Galaxy S10 series, that lets the camera switch between apertures based on lighting conditions. If this makes a comeback, it could balance both night and day photography seamlessly. Beyond the main sensor, there are signs of additional tweaks. While no details confirm a radical redesign, sources point to improvements in the telephoto module, likely enhancing zoom quality and detail capture. There's no confirmation yet on periscope tech or variable zoom, but the internal camera system is still being refined. Samsung seems focused on optimizing existing hardware rather than introducing bold changes this cycle. On the processing side, the Galaxy S26 Ultra is expected to be powered by Qualcomm's new Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, or as insiders call it, Snapdragon 8 Elite 2, which promises a serious leap in power efficiency, AI integration, and thermal performance. It will run on Samsung's One UI 8.5 skin, hinting at smarter software enhancements tied into the new silicon. The device will reportedly feature a slightly larger display and possibly a bigger battery with faster charging support, keeping pace with industry expectations. No word on whether Samsung will transition to stacked battery tech or a silicon-carbon solution, but incremental gains are expected in overall longevity and charging speed. As for the design, leaks suggest that Samsung will release 3 models in the S26 series: the Ultra, a Pro version, and a slimmer Edge variant. This aligns with Samsung's continued strategy of segmenting its flagship lineup to serve multiple price points and user needs. The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra is set to launch in January 2026, continuing the company's traditional release window. Pricing details haven't been officially confirmed, but based on past trends and the expected hardware, the S26 Ultra could start around $1,299.